Guys, welcome back. Okay, so I still haven't got, if you saw my first vlog channel, I was really excited today because I was supposed to get internet and cable, and I haven't had internet and cable at the house for 2 weeks now, and like my phone data plan is like, oh my god, insane, and I'm just losing my mind. It's so quiet in this house, and like this brand new house. There's furniture, but like there's boxes everywhere, and it's so quiet, and I have no internet and no cable to entertain me. So I was like super excited. I was like, oh my god, we're gonna have it. I'm gonna have company. Like I'm gonna have something to do while I unpack all these boxes. Guy comes over. Oh, and I was really excited because the election's going on today. So I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna like sit down with a glass of wine and watch the elections. It's gonna be amazing. Guy comes over and tells me that something is wrong with this board, not connected to the house, and there's like a special team that can do it, that's like trained to do this, and he can't do it, and it's hard to get in touch with that special team, so he doesn't know when it's gonna get done. So I was like, okay, this week, next week, and he was like, yeah, I'm gonna try to get it done by next week, but might be even longer. So I hate you, Comcast. I hate you so much. Anyways, that means we're just gonna keep vlogging because I'm so bored out of my mind and I need something to entertain me. All right, so what happened is that, this is a new house, so a lot of stuff I haven't used yet. So I have not used the dishwasher yet. And this is what the dishwasher. All right, so it's a, how do you pronounce this? Bosch? So I'm gonna say Bosch. So it's a Bosch dishwasher. That was a tongue twister. And so this is my story. So I filled it up and I was trying to turn it on, right? Because like in my old house, it wasn't the same dishwasher, but I had a dishwasher, obviously. And I would just pour the detergent in here, right? And then I would close it and I would turn it on. So I closed it and I tried to turn it on. I tried to press start and it wouldn't start. So instead of starting, it started making this beeping noise. It went like beep, beep, beep. So I opened it and I was like, what is going on? So I guess for this one, you have to have the jet dry rinse aid also poured in there for it to start. So I'm guessing the little things are lit up because they're telling me that I need to fill it for it to work. So then I like read the manual and I was kind of reading through what I need to do, and it says to use this detergent, the Finish Powerball Supercharged, and then this jet dry stuff. So I had already poured in my dishwasher detergent that I usually use, which is the Cascade. So I'm just like scared that for some reason it's not gonna work. So I'm actually gonna wipe that out, put one of those in there, and then put the rinse aid in there and turn it on, and we'll do it together. So if anyone else is having problem figuring this out, now they know. All right, so I emptied out all that Cascade liquid that was in there. You can kind of see where I took it out. And then I opened this up, and these just come in little boxes like this. And you are not supposed to open this up, just kind of put it right in there as it is. So we're just gonna go ahead and drop this in here. And I think it's supposed to go, I guess it's supposed to go like that. I'm not sure. Okay, but we'll see. Then you just slide that up, and then for this, you just push this up. And then we're gonna pour our rinse aid in here. Oh my God, guys. This better work. I hope my whole house doesn't like sink. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this in here. Oh shoot. Wow. This comes out pretty quick. Seems like I'm pouring a lot. Design for best drying. Okay, I guess I pour some more. Wow, does it really take that much? Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna pour. And then I close this. Okay. And then we close this up. And I think that's all I do. And I have that normal wash. All right, let's try. Start. Oh my God, the struggle is real, people. Okay, so I think I have to put more in here. And I think you don't have to always refill this. It's like a one-time thing where you fill it up and then you kind of don't have to fill it again. Oh shit. Okay. I think that's good enough. Oh my God. Do I need more? Like what? Okay, I think that's good. This is not easy. Okay. Now what the frick is it saying? Like, it's not even fucking doing anything. Sanitize? I don't want it sanitized. Let's just turn it off. And then turn it back on. Okay. Normal wash, okay. Start. Okay. Does it take a minute to start? All right, I'm just gonna let it take a few minutes. If it starts beeping, then I'll know that something's wrong because that's what it was doing last time. What the fuck is this doing? That is the scariest noise ever. Is it possessed or is it washing dishes? Oh my God. No, it's not doing anything. Is this supposed to be this hard? Like, am I the only one struggling with this? Because this is ridiculous. It's doing something. Oh my God. I have no idea what it's doing. It just made some crazy ass noise and now it turned off. Oh shit. All right. It's doing something. I should probably move away from it because I feel like it's about to explode. It's not Samsung, but it might explode. You never know. Like, what is it? Why is it thinking for so long to turn on? All right. I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. Oh shit, something happened. Just turned off. I don't know. I see dead people. Okay, that's scary. I'm home alone. I shouldn't even be saying that shit, man. Okay, I don't think it's working. Oh. Is it telling me to open it? Like, I don't know. Let's open it. Let's open it. So this shit's just beeping away. And I think that means we need to open it. But like, I don't want to open it and then like fuck up the system, because every time I open it, it takes like 5 hours to boot up again. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna open it. Fuck it. What's it saying? Okay. Okay, it's not. What is it like? So I just turned the dishwasher off because it was just beeping nonstop. And I'm pretty sure it's broken, because I was reading reviews online and stuff, and other people that had problems with like it just going on and on beeping, like the cycle has ended, so it's supposed to beep like that when it's done. Said that they had to get it repaired. So that's that. I'm gonna email them and see if they can fix it tomorrow, but I have like a full load of dishes in there and I don't have any fucking dishes to use now, so kind of sucks. I mean, I could take them out and wash them, but fuck, I'm too lazy for that shit. So we'll just wait. Keep you guys updated. Thank you. Bye. Yeah.
So when you say close the tap, you close